Here's another example of my Dinky Toy collection. This tanker is from the late 70s. It's a larger scale. In fact, this measures about 10.5 inches in length. It's a British truck, and it has a Esso tanker attached, which can come loose from the tractor, but I'm not going to do that. The hatches on the top open and close, and this is what the rear end looks like. No advertising on the rear, just on the sides of the tanker. The cab has glass and seats, but no driver. The underside is finished real good. We got tandem tires in the back of the trailer. And that lowers. A real fine example of a Dinky Toy from the 70s and an Esso tanker that thanks for viewing.